Hello everyone, let me tell you next the installation direction of this piston. If the piston is installed in the wrong direction, what will it do? So let me show you. First, at the top of the piston, it is chipped on both sides. This gap is for intake and exhaust at the same time. Its exhaust notch is smaller. The intake gap should be large. If you press the wrong direction, it runs after the piston belt reaches the upper fulcrum. Its intake valve opens and it hits the piston. Will cause a top valve. So I'm going to show you a valve. Normal situation, after the piston runs to the upper fulcrum. After the valve is opened, it can touch the piston. If you press the wrong direction, this is the exhaust valve. The gap in the exhaust valve should be small. If you press the wrong direction, the exhaust valve is installed on the intake valve side. After the piston reaches top dead center, his valve opens and it hits the piston. Will cause a top valve. So you have to be aware of that. So let me tell you about this, how to distinguish the installation direction of this piston. First, at the top of the piston, look at the gaps on both sides. The big side is the intake. The small side is the exhaust. One more thing, there's an arrow on the side of the piston. This arrow is pointing to the timing side. For example, this is the timing side. When you install it, the arrow should point to the timing side. That's the right direction. If timing is on this side, then point your arrow at this side like this. So make no mistake. This one. Well, there are two dots above to see. One is the size of the notch. And then there's the arrow. It refers to the formal side. Therefore, everyone must pay attention when installing. Another point is at the bottom of the connecting rod. There's an arrow there at the bottom. The direction of the arrow is also the direction of timing. So if you can't tell the difference above, you can see the bottom. The arrow on the bottom refers to the formal side. Be sure to pay attention during installation. The direction must not be wrong. It's easy to top the valve if you make a mistake. Okay, that's it for the video and welcome to the show.